Hello friends, and welcome back to AutoFix Zone. If you're experiencing steering wheel shake, vibrations throughout the vehicle, pedal vibration during initial acceleration, or even a harsh shudder accompanied by a grinding or knocking noise when braking, this video will break it all down. In today's episode, we'll explain all major types of vehicle vibrations, their root causes, and the correct mechanical fixes. Let's get started. 1. Steering wheel vibration at idle. If you can visibly see the steering wheel shaking while the vehicle is stationary at idle, and you also feel vibrations through the driver's seat, all while the car is not moving, the most likely cause is failed engine mounts. Engine mounts are responsible for isolating engine movement and vibrations. The fix: replace the worn or collapsed engine mounts. 2. Severe shudder when taking off from a stand. If you feel a strong shudder or jolt through the vehicle body when starting from a standstill, which disappears once the vehicle gains momentum, there are two possible causes. Most common, a worn clutch assembly due to excessive wear of the clutch disc and pressure plate. Second possibility, severely worn engine mounts that have reached an advanced stage of failure. 3. Steering wheel vibration at around 80 km per hour. If the steering wheel shakes aggressively left and right when driving around 80 km per hour and the vibration fades or disappears at 100 km per hour or higher, this is a classic sign of wheel imbalance. The fix: perform proper tire balancing. Once done correctly, the issue should be completely eliminated. 4. Accelerator pedal vibration between 20 and 60 km per hour. If you feel vibration or pulsation in the accelerator pedal between 20 and 60 km per hour, which disappears as speed increases, the most likely cause is worn inner CV joints. This occurs due to excessive play between the inner CV joint housing and the tripod bearings. Important note: in rare cases, if the vibration starts from initial acceleration and never disappears, the cause may be a bent drive shaft between the inner and outer CV joints, typically the result of a severe accident. 5. Full vehicle body shake. If the vehicle appears to lean to one side, feels uneven while driving, and causes noticeable vibration throughout the entire body, especially visible when watching the car from outside, the cause may be uneven tire wear, a bent wheel rim, or severely worn wheel bearings. 6. Violent steering wheel shake and grinding noise during braking. If you're driving at higher speeds, around 90 km per hour or more, and experience strong steering wheel vibration along with a grinding or knocking noise from underneath the vehicle when applying the brakes, this indicates warped or uneven brake rotors. The fix: resurface or machine the brake rotors or replace them if machining is no longer possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. This was AutoFix Zone. See you in the next episode.